Meaning of galaxy.
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 Galaxy. The term galaxy refers to a massive system of stars, planets, gas, and dust that are held together by gravity. Galaxies come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, and they can contain anywhere from billions to trillions of stars. Our own Milky Way galaxy, for example, is estimated to have around 100 billion stars. Galaxies are thought to have formed shortly after the Big Bang and continue to evolve over time due to various cosmic processes such as mergers and interactions with other galaxies. They are essential building blocks of the universe and hold many mysteries waiting to be explored.